All right, so we are at the Freedom Factory. It's Friday, a day for testing and fun before tomorrow's Burnout Rivals, which is gonna be so fun. Like, I actually haven't been here since he has redone everything. Wow, look at that. The interwebs does not even do it justice.
Man, that was good. I went 2 hands.
Kickflip contest, your next.
I'm super pumped to get behind the wheel of the car. I've been like fiending for competition for a very long time. We've got, well, I'll show you the cars in a minute. So I brought the Fox out. The Fun Haver Fox used to be the Missile Fox. We changed the name because it's overgone a little, a few little modifications. We've also got the Pennzoil Spec 5. Which, as you all know, has been Chelsea's demo car for a really long time. Skip, you got this thing ready to go?
We're just putting in a fresh alternator. She was a little lazy in the voltage department yesterday.
A little voltage, a little lazy, a little freshy, and then I'm getting the good tunes today, right?
Evidently.
Yeah, of course. This is Chelsea's demo car. So this is actually the car that I ran at the Nürburgring, but now I've transitioned this over for Chelsea so Chelsea and I can have equivalent demo cars. This is a Ford Performance Illuminator. It's got a Vortec YSI supercharger. This thing rips. It's amazing. It sounds good. The power delivery comes in super nice and linear. Then we've got, of course, my FD car and its twin, my demo car. This is actually the same chassis as this car. Both use BC coilovers. Both have the same steering angle things and things like that. You know, the FD car is all about grip and traction and optimum performance. These cars are all about fun. So a lot of cost savings mindset as well as maintenance and things like that. All right, so Cletus got his new hot rod out. I brought the Fox to play with, and what a perfect time before game day to go have some fun in his newly built car. Let's do it.
How was the first red?
It's good, dude. This car's so fun. I love it. I've obviously never driven it here at the Freedom Factory, so it's fun to rip and try. I've never had it on a bank. I mean, I've literally never had it anywhere other than Englishtown in my driveway, so. Game day, Burnout Rivals event here at the Freedom Factory. We had a really good, fun day yesterday, testing. I mean, this whole event is called Burnout Rivals. And Cletus's goal is to bring kind of like Australian Burnout Contest to the US. Cletus is a true fun haver, and it's been really cool to hang with him over the last 8 months or so since we met at Holly Ford Fest. So we're gonna get to it. A little bit more testing and practice to do today, and then we're gonna dive right in.
This guy's in the Burnout Contest? Woo! America, baby! Woo! All right.
100% unadulterated good times today, boys and girls. Oh, that was so fun, man. Good day. Damn.
Oh, you've got fireworks going on back there.
Oh, yeah, he does.